In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money online with PNC Bank. Whether you're looking to move funds between your own PNC accounts or send money to an external bank, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and explore both internal and external transfers, ensuring you have a seamless banking experience. Let's start with internal transfers, where you're moving money between your own PNC accounts. First, log into your PNC online banking via the web or your mobile app. Once you've accessed your account, navigate to the Transfer Funds or simply the Transfer tab. This section is your gateway to managing how and where your money flows within your PNC accounts. Next, you'll need to specify which account the funds will come from and which they'll go to. This is simply selecting the From and To accounts from your list of available PNC accounts. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer, choose the date you want the transfer to occur, and set the frequency, whether it's a one-time deal or a recurring transfer. Before you finalize, take a moment to review all the details. Once you're confident everything is correct, submit the transaction. Keep in mind that transfers scheduled before the cutoff time, usually around 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, will typically be processed on the same business day. Transfers set for after the cutoff or during weekends and holidays will likely post on the next business day. Now let's talk about external transfers, which involve transferring money to or from a non-PNC bank account. Start by either logging into your online banking or using the PNC app. Once you're in, head to the Transfer Funds section and select External Transfers. If you haven't already added your non-PNC account, you'll need to do so by selecting Add External Account. To complete this step, you'll need to have some key pieces of information ready: the other bank's name, the routing number, and the account number. Some banks, including PNC, often verify the external account by placing two small trial deposits into it. Once these show up, you'll need to confirm the deposit amounts in your PNC account. After the external account is verified, you're ready to schedule your transfer. Like internal transfers, you have the option to set it as a one-time or a recurring transaction. However, do note that external transfers usually take about 3 business days to complete. This countdown begins the business day following your transfer request, so be sure to plan accordingly. And there you have it. Transferring money online with PNC Bank can be a straightforward process when you follow these steps. Internal transfers and external transfers each have their nuances, but with this guide, you're well equipped to handle both with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this information helpful for your future banking activities.